So we over here at AutoZone. We came to pick up a restoration kit for restoring one of the headlights that I have is yellowing out. So the kit was about 20 bucks. You know, I thought it was like 15 before. It's been a long time since I restored one of these headlights. This is just a temporary thing. I do have a friend that does headlights restorations, but I just want to do a tutorial for you guys so you can see for about $20 if you don't have somebody that does any kind of body work or restore headlights, that you could do yourself at your house in like 10 minutes. So let's get into the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave me a comment if you have any questions. This is a slight different product than I used before. I looked around and I couldn't find exactly which one it was. So I bought this one. See here, this is my passenger light. It looks nice and clear. And if you come over here, this is a really good angle where you can see that the light starting to yellow out. So we're gonna go ahead and fix that today. And we're over here at AutoZone. So we went ahead and picked up a Meguiar's restoration kit. We're gonna go ahead and give this a try. This was $19.99. This is different from what I used before, but I'll put a picture of using these products when I have my 350Z and those headlights so you guys can see exactly what they look like. But yeah, we'll give this a try. I'll do a little tutorial and then you guys can let me know what you think, and if you need it, then you know what to do for about 20 bucks. You'll get this and make your headlights look brand new again. So your kit is gonna bring the two pads. They have to be like at least 5,000 grit. That's what it feels like. And then you're gonna get your cleaner, which is you're gonna pour on the headlight. Make sure it's clean before you do that. And you're gonna use one of the pads to keep wiping it down. And once you finish doing that, you're gonna go ahead and get a microfiber towel, wet it, make sure it's damp, squeeze it off, and then wipe it down. And then you do how many coats you think you need of the cleaning pad to make sure that the headlight looks really good and clean and everything is smooth and even. And then after that, make sure you got everything mashed off. You're gonna use your clear coat, and you just go ahead and clear. I gave mine 2 coats. See how it does. It sprays very easy. If you get any overspray, it says on the box to use just alcohol and wipe it off. Do not use acetone because you're gonna take your paint off from your car or your clear coat on the paint of the car. Just make sure you use some alcohol and wipe it off. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. As you guys can see here, we went ahead and did 2 passes with the cleaning gel that it brought, and with the pad. The kit does not include the tape that you will need in order to put around the edges, so I had to improvise and use some paper towels. All I had with me when I went to this washing bay where I live. And as you can see, I wet the towel, dried it off, well, squeezed it off, made sure it was damp, and clean everything off, and then hit it again. In order to do the clear coat, you got to make sure that the surface is very dry and you don't have any water spots anywhere. So make sure you use either dry microfiber or some paper towel and dry everything off before you decide to do the clear coat. And please make sure you mask off all the way around the headlight so you don't have a lot of overspray anywhere. So you can see in some of the areas where the clear coat will be coming off. Give you guys a little closer. Now you give it 3 to 5 minutes and then you do another coat. guys, now you can see the headlight. This is what a brand new headlight looks like. Not bad for 20 bucks. Now the front end looks a lot more clean. So this is the before picture and this is the after picture of what it looks like.